am here in Florida on vacation, and I thought I'd find some local Florida places I haven't tried before. And there's a plane coming in right now. I'm gonna try a place called PDQ. Let's try some chicken. Hello everybody, it's your boy Chris, without Vito, because I'm in Florida on vacation. But you know what? I wish Vito was here with me, so shout out Vito. I hope you're watching this. I'm at a restaurant here that started here in Florida called PDQ, and it stands for People Dedicated to Quality. It's a chicken restaurant. I've heard a lot about it. I've seen lots of posts that says it's got great quality chicken, so I placed an order. I ordered some chicken tenders and one of their chicken sandwiches because I heard their chicken sandwich is pretty darn good. And here's a bonus, guys. I signed up for the app, which is free, you know, to place my order. And they gave me a free chicken sandwich just for signing up on the app. So you can't beat that. There's quite a few locations around the, I think the South. Started in Tampa, Florida again. I already said that. Let's get into this. This was my my bag. PDQ. Smells good. I got fries. I got tenders. We're gonna try it all right now. This is having a wonderful vacation right now here in sunny South Florida. I'm actually in Pompano Beach. And this bag is soggy. Well, let's try some of the fries first. So, I guess they got waffle fries? PDQ. They look like the same type of waffle fries that Chick-fil-A has. Just made better. There we go. Well, they're not bad. Let's see, what should I try first here? I gotta get through. Oh, I ordered a bunch of sauces too because I want to try their sauces. I ordered this one's a honey barbecue. This one is a PDQ sauce, whatever that is. I wonder if it's like a Raising Cane's cane sauce, because I went to Cane's a couple days ago. I had to go to Cane's and we got some ranch. I want to see how the ranch compares to the rest of the world. All right, let's see. Is this the sandwich? Let's do the sandwich first. This is chicken sandwich just made better. It's in this little pouch, kind of like, you know, Popeyes or Chick-fil-A. And I got the regular sandwich. Let's see what this comes with here. Apparently they gave me a deluxe sandwich because it's got, it looks like it's got lettuce and tomato on it too. Oh well. Let's just try it as is. Get some napkins here, so I don't get all sorts of sauce all over this Ford Edge that I've leased, or not, rented for my time in Florida. Oh, I'm already dropping stuff. Let's just get into this. That is a thick chicken breast there. It's supposed to be fresh, what is it, like antibiotic free and all that stuff. I don't know if it's the sauce. Well, the chicken tastes okay. Not loving it. I had high expectations here. I'm not loving it. Huh. It was free though. Okay. Not loving it. It's like there's not a lot of flavor to it. I got a Coke too. I asked the wife, does she want to be in it? No. She doesn't want to be in our video. So here I am doing this alone. All right, let's see what the chicken tenders have in store. Man. Ugh. Again, we got the box here. After having Raising Cane's, I mean, Raising Cane's chicken tenders are pretty good, but it's the cane sauce that really elevates it. These aren't really huge either. So, this is what the tenders look like. Let's see what, if they got any crunch on them. Again, no flavor. Let's try some sauce. I want to try the ranch first. I'm being let down here by PDQ. Bruh. Being let down here as I sit in their parking lot in Pompano, Florida. Let's try it with their ranch. The ranch is good. Thumbs up for that ranch. Let's try the honey barbecue sauce, because I'm not a fan of the PDQ sauce that was on that chicken sandwich. So I'm gonna leave that one off. I'll let my wife have that. I'll see what she thinks of it. But honey barbecue. Let's see. Let's try that. Okay. You got to get the sauce with these chicken tenders, because otherwise they have virtually no flavor to them. That sucks. I think all this food, even with the free chicken sandwich, was $17. So that's a 4-piece chicken strip. I got 2 fries and a Coke, and then the chicken sandwich was free. Otherwise, that would have been well over 25 bucks. There you have it, guys. PDQ from Florida in the South. I'm glad I tried it, but I'm not coming back. I'll continue on with the vacation, and who knows what we'll have next. See you guys in the next review.